that this sector, the least investment for a job created, was the most attractive point for me, and it still continues to be that way. For example, the state government, Honorable Chief Minister, concentrating on the employment generation in the state in a big way. A revolutionary step has been taken under the name of Kiranalu, Yuva Kiranalu, Rajiv Yuva Kiranalu. We are spending about 777 crores. But here, one egg consumption in the country per capita, if it goes up, we create 30,000 jobs on the egg side, and 50 grams of meat consumption in the country per capita increase will create about 25,000 employments directly and indirectly. That is the reason why we want the government's attention on this, and whatever steps we have taken, it is only towards that direction. Of course, we are facing problems. The problems have to be sorted out, and better and better management practices from your side. As a matter of fact, is an example of this convention. In the early 80s and 90s, we were lining up in queues before the American consulate to go to Atlanta for this kind of exhibition. Today it is not so. For the last 6 years, as a matter of fact, this show has been conducted in Hyderabad, and today we are all proud that 23 countries are participating, and more than 2,000 delegates are about to participate in this, and about 20,000 visitors will be participating. All roads to Atlanta, I think, are closed now, and now all roads and airways are open to Hyderabad, the city, the most happening city in the country. The country is importing 20 million tons of fertilizers into the country. 20 million tons, over and above what we are producing. If you know, if you pay attention, the poultry industry is contributing 12 million tons of poultry litter as manure, which is the natural fertilizer. Do you know what is the chemical equivalent of that? It's 9.3% of poultry litter that is generated is equivalent to 1 unit of chemical fertilizer that's being used and produced. We are importing 74,000 crores of rupees on the fertilizer subsidy in the country. It is not a small amount. And the foreign exchange component of importing that much fertilizer is one aspect of it, and the subsidy that the government of India is giving to the farming sector only under fertilizer is 74,000. The percentage of that is going to be around some 6 to 7% of that is being contributed without any cost to the exchequer of the government of India and the foreign exchange component, which works out about 4,400 crores as a matter of fact. We are expanding at the rate of 10 to 12%, giving employment and also creating nutritious food to the society at large. So keeping